everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. You guys are going to think I'm completely out to lunch, but I am making Christmas balls and they are so easy to make. I figured I'd come on here and just do a quick video and show you what I'm doing. These are some of the finished ones I've done. Super pretty, all with alcohol ink and a little bit of acrylic paint and 2 drops of water. That's all you need to do. These are, you can get them from the dollar store. I think they're $1.25. Hanging on pegs, there's a clear plastic cheap Christmas ornament. I'm making all of these for my family to hang on their tree. I'll show you another one here. Purples and blues, a little bit of silver. I think they're just gorgeous and it's all so easy. So let's just do one quickly here. I'm just going to pull it out of the pack. Comes with a little silver string. Don't need that right now. Toss that aside. Little silver clip just pops right out. Put that aside. By the way, egg cartons, you guys, they work excellent to dry these ornaments. Okay, I'm just going to put this on my little plastic cup here. Let's give some alcohol inks a shake. This one is Ranger or Tim Holtz brand. The color is Smolder. It's a pearl. Put that one in first. Now I'm just going to drip right along the edge and let it fall in. You are going to get a little bit of a puddle in the bottom. Don't worry, we're going to be dumping that out. I'm going to show you how quick and easy these are to do. And wouldn't it be nice to have Christmas for your family done early by making these? Letting them dry and packaging them up. Okay, I'll let that sit for a second. Now let's do, this is a Magic Fly alcohol ink. It's black. Give it a little shake. Now the Magic Flies, I think I got them off of Amazon. They're an affordable ink. Alcohol inks can get a little bit expensive. Sorry, I'm out of camera frame, aren't I? I apologize if I was. Alright, black. Now I've got Magic Fly Silver. This is going to be such a quick video, we're not even going to need music. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much everyone. I love you for it. All your comments, all the thumbs up really does help keep me going. So smash that thumbs up button while you're here. Okay, silver's in. Now let's do a little bit of brass. This one's a Pinata ink. Brass. Here's a little ball in there. You know that that's a pearl or a gold, silver, brass. That you all usually have these little marbles in there bouncing around. So tells you definitely got to give it a good shake. Okay. Now I'm just going to take a look and see, stay there, if I have good coverage or not. So there is a puddle in the bottom. I'm sure you can probably see it in the camera. I just twirl it around a little bit. Sometimes I go all the way to the top of the ball. Sometimes I only go halfway. And it's just going to look like a gray, black mess. But believe it or not, it won't be. Now the alcohol inks dry pretty quick. I let these sit for about 10 minutes before I do the next step. But I'm happy with that. I don't have it all the way to the top. I've just switched it around a bit. And even if you wanted to make sure you got your whole ball, you could just put a piece of napkin over top of that hole and give it a little shake. There we go. Okay, I'm going to let that sit over here to dry. Hopefully it doesn't affect the camera zoom. Okay, so I did one 10 minutes ago. I've been letting this guy dry, and he's just looking like a mess of black, silver, and brass. So what I'm going to do is pick the color I want to put in the inside as the base. I was thinking about Treasure's Gold, the aquamarine. We could go gold. You can use any acrylic paint. It doesn't have to be a metallic. It can be a craft, plain white even. It's totally fine. And then I've got my favorite, the berry wine. This one's a folk art. It's been sitting on my shelf for probably 2 or 3 years. I think I'm going to go with that one. Call me crazy, but let's give it a whirl. So I'm just going to try and squeeze out a small amount. 1, 2, 3, like 4 little bloops. There we go. As Lisa Marvin would say, bloop of paint. There's a very tiny amount in there. You're not going to be able to see it on camera, but it's small amount. Let's do 2 drops of water. Just looking, I might need another bloop of paint in there. I'm going to, just for safety's sake, let's do 1 more bloop. Okay. So now I'm just going to drop 2 drops of water in. That might have been 3 drops, but very minimal amount. Swirl it around a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take one of my napkins I have put aside here and fold it up so I can cover that hole, and we're going to give her a shake. Now I'm thinking by the looks of this, did not get enough paint in there. So, lesson learned, the cheaper paints, you might need a little bit more. Stay there, I don't want to get my table all messy. Okay. I'm going to do some more paint in there. There we go. Should be good. A little tiny bit more water. Okay, swirl that around again a little bit. Now you can also do this with nail polish or regular acrylic paints. It doesn't have to be inks. And this holder is just a glass, shot glass. I'm sure we all got those hanging around in our house somewhere. They work excellent to hold your Christmas balls. Excuse me. Okay. Toss that aside. It's all covered. Now you're not going to see the full effect till it's completely dry, but I'm just going to bring this cup over here that I used to dump out the excess. And I might not have picked the best colors to display, but as you can see, depending on what colors you do, you're going to have some fabulous Christmas balls. But it is starting to show the burgundy red. I'm not sure if it's going to show on camera or not for you guys, but I've got definitely brass, silver, black, and a burgundy coming out on this one. All right, that's it. that's how easy it is. You don't have to do anything to seal them because everything is done inside the ball. Once it's dry, put your clip on and you have yourself a Christmas ornament. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.